Hi, this is Teresa Florette, aka Tweet Tweets Art. That's me. That's TWEETSART. Well, I'm enjoying the South Padre Island, and and at the same time, I'm putting in, you know, applications for a little extra money, job, and not to be homeless. The Lord blessed me yesterday. I was able to stay somewhere. But the Lord is good because the Lord also, He's just good like that. But yeah, so at this time, it's a unique situation. I've never been in before. I guess I'm covering all the ins and out of this situation. Yeah. Birds sound beautiful. Oh, this one bird is so beautiful. He sounds so loud. It appears to be that he's under a truck. That's how loud he is, but he's not. Let me show you the beauty of this area. How beautiful. Listen to that. I'm most likely calling my name. Sweet, sweet. Look at that. Yeah. Anyway, so, um, but the earth still is the Lord's and the fullness thereof. And everything that's in it. Everything. Yeah. And, yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's a glorious day. It's the day the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it regardless. I mean, the weather's perfect. It's beautiful. It's kind of cold over here at night, though. Oh, my goodness. But, yeah, this is pretty nice over here. And it's going to be 77 degrees today, if it's not already. And it's nice. It's nice. So the thing I like about the South Padre Island is they have free buses. I can get on and go anywhere on the bus. I could take it across the road, across the bridge over there. And yeah, it's a nice place to come. You're looking for a tropical um, paradise type of situation. This is nice. This will do it. Yeah, and they have a lot of bikes. They rent. My favorite thing of all they rent is the golf cart. Maybe I'll drive one day. I'll learn how to drive just to drive that golf cart. I love golf. Golf carts to me is like driving the buggy, the grocery cart in the store. You know, I've never driven a real car. Well, I tried. It just didn't work. Anyway, God bless you. Have a beautiful day. Remember, Jesus loves you, and He never fails. I'm gonna look at this. Look at this. Look how beautiful. Mm, nice, huh? I don't know if you saw the beautiful trees. This is beautiful. It's a beautiful place to be. Okay. Y'all have a blessed day.